Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to the Crafty Crew Kit for March unboxing. This one's coming at you a little bit later than usual because of mail issues, but I thought it would still be fun to take a look at this. Even though you've probably seen the process videos, I had one up on Monday making this cute little number with the pattern paper and some of the stamp sets. So I thought it would be interesting to you guys to see what you would get in your very own package. This is on sale until the 22nd of February, and then it will ship on the early in March. So it's the March kit. Sometimes I know the like nomenclature of which kit, the kit in the buying period gets kind of confusing. Anyway, let's see what we have. As usual, we have the very cute and personalized stamp from Crafty Stamp Co. And if you're interested in the kit, there are links to all the things in the description, of course. Once we get past our tissue paper, we get a really nice bag to hold all the things, which I always appreciate because it's easy to have kit components kind of get lost over time. So this is really great. And as always, or I guess I should say, if you subscribe monthly to the kit, or I guess it's a bi-monthly kit, but you know what I mean. Like if you do the subscription option, um, you will hopefully not zip your things in here, but you do get a couple extra things. You get a special embellishment, generally speaking, and you also get a special discount code. So there's some literature in here on all of those things. And this is our special item. This is very cute. Look at all the little paw prints. Paw prints are very themed in this release. So we have both dogs and cats. And as you saw, the stamp set also has a bunny. But we have the first stamp set, which is the Fur Mama Meadow. And that was the one, that's where all the critters in this card came from. You can see how they look stamped and colored. You can also see on the website if you want to see more of a blended look. And then you have some great sentiments here as well. So it is Fur Mama Meadow. And then there is the other stamp set, which is the Pets Are Family, which is the one that had cute little turtle and the fish bowl and the bird cage and the bird and all that stuff. I like how there's a mix of fonts between these stamp sets, so it really gives you a lot to work with. In fact, I didn't use the main character in of Meadow in the two cards I did thus far, but so we might have to do another one with her because this is a really nice pose. Oh, she has like Sailor Moon hair, and I kind of love that. Anyway, always great art from Crafty Stamp Co. It is one of my favorite things about them is that the line art is always fantastic. And then we have the paw print stencil, which is called Little Paws. Um, Pretty versatile. I like that the paws are there's like some negative space where there aren't paws, which is nice. Often I've had a couple stencils over the years, and they're usually very busy. So this is nice in that it would give you a little bit extra. And I think keeping with that theme, the neat thing about this pad is it has a lot of neutrals in it, in addition to all the super vibrant stuff. And it comes with your paper sleeve, which you're probably used to by now. I like that all the many companies are going with non-bound pads because then you don't have like this glue top thingy to deal with. But here you can kind of see all the stuff you're getting in here. Um, it is the fairly heavyweight and it is foilable because it is toner printed. So that's always an option. There's a black and white birthday pad that's really nice for that. But I could see some of these more neutral pads you might want to do something like that with. Like you could foil this in hot pink if you had a hot pink friend who was into that kind of thing. Anyway, so we have our neutral paws and then our other neutral paws. And then we have this blue, which I really like. This is a really nice, vibrant blue. Very like a cornflower blue. And then we have almost a hot pink and then a more muted pink. So this blue and pink, I think, would also work really well for Easter cards if you're getting into that. And then we have this nice polka dot. I like the polka dot and the paws a lot. Those were some of my favorites. And then if you flip it over, generally we'll get some more muted things on the back. More paws and leashes. This Argyle is really cool. And then we have our some stripes in both blue and pink. And then we also get a couple nice solids in here. Yeah. So we have like a white salad and a orange salad. Actually, it's not white. It's very light brown. I don't know if it came through in my cards, but a lot of these papers use sort of a lighter, a very sort this sort of light brown as a background as opposed to white, which gives it a really nice look. So kudos, fantastic paper as always. I don't think I've ever had a Crafty Stamp Co. paper that I didn't really like. So but that's what you get in your kit. If you're interested in it, information is, of course, below. And if you check out my channel, there are a couple process videos, and we may go ahead and use Meadow in a live sometime soon because one never knows what the Sunday lives will bring. But thanks for checking this out, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Talk to you later. Bye bye.